we need to regain momentum to end the climate crisis. Pressure on companies is building as measuring and reporting emissions becomes increasingly mandatory. But GHG accounting can, in some cases, be imprecise and burdensome. The Carbon Call has identified 4 types of constraints that companies face when gathering, interpreting, and sharing emissions data. Vocabulary constraints, due to the lack of universal language in GHG accounting. Validity constraints. Can we prove that data are robust? Methodological constraints. Calculation methods may differ across organizations depending on available data. Finally, awareness constraints. Data are not discoverable unless you know exactly where to look. The Carbon Call Initiative was created to mobilize collective action, investment, and resources to strengthen GHG accounting, ensuring it is reliable and interoperable. Alongside expert advisors, we co-create and accelerate common solutions and rally our signatories to commit to best practice reporting. Faster, more reliable GHG accounting is within reach. Become part of one of the fastest growing corporate initiatives. Join the Carbon Call today.